All right, Brett, well, you got to get your hands on it finally. I asked him, had he ever been up or seen a Diamond C? He said no, didn't even know who it was. So glad he was able to come down and pick up a new one. But if you could point out a couple of things, like what stands out about the trailer? Like what do you think is were the best features?
These multiple places to tie downs, the expanded metal for if you have something that could roll off, it's pretty much on there. The work light for loading stuff in the dark or, unloading or there's multiple things. Bifold gate.
Cool.
And it looks like awesome quality trailer.
Appreciate that. So as far as using it, I think you mentioned a side-by-side, but give us a little more there. What do you think you're going to end up doing with it?
Well, for one, I don't have to borrow my dad's trailer anymore. And I'll haul side-by-side, and family and I will be able to go shed hunting, fishing, go run dogs.
Yeah, cool. Big time outdoors.
Yeah, I've gave up a little bit since I've got kids now, but we can get back into it maybe a little bit more.
Awesome. Well, I appreciate it, man. Congratulations.
Alrighty. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
I'm Brett. I just won the Work and Play giveaway and won a PSA Venture.